Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, cut an image to a shape. For two way, I apply the first way. I have a shape. Create a new layer. Go to shape. Hold shift or drag it. Okay. Then hold control. Control Z or direct layer mask. Control Z or duplicate. Control I. Okay. And method number 2, create a new shape, apply the same formula, hold control, select and add this, unlock the image, now layer mask, hold control or remove outside. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.